Did you know that the global paper production capacity is projected to reach a staggering 510 million tons by 2025? That's a lot. The paper starts as a watery mix of tiny plant fibers. These fibers are spread out on a screen and dried to make sheets. This idea began in China almost 2,000 years ago and has grown into a huge industry. Today, we make paper from trees, old paper, and other plants. The process involves separating the raw materials, forming them into sheets, and drying them. It's incredible how this simple material is so important in our daily lives, whether for writing, packaging, or countless other uses. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of paper manufacturing, from raw materials to finished products. Before diving into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so you won't miss a video. Chapter: What actually is paper manufacturing? Paper manufacturing transforms raw materials like wood and recycled fibers into various paper products. The process involves several stages: preparing materials, pulping, refining, forming sheets, pressing, drying, and finishing. Each step fine-tunes the pulp to achieve the desired strength and brightness. Different papers require unique properties. Newsprint needs high porosity, while writing paper demands smoothness. This complex automated industry relies on advanced technology and skilled workers. Recent innovations focus on sustainability, reducing resource use, and reducing environmental impact. Now, let's talk in detail about the stages involved in the paper-making process. Chapter: Preparation of the fiber. It all began with a humble start: the preparation of fiber. This first step transforms raw materials into the building blocks of paper. A bustling factory where wood chips arrive, ready for their grand makeover. These humble chips are about to become something extraordinary. Workers put the chips into giant machines that break them into tiny fibers. It's like turning trees into fluffy cotton candy. These fibers are the secret ingredient that gives paper its strength and character. This isn't just wood. Recycled paper gets a second chance at life. The old becomes new as it's mixed with fresh fibers, creating a perfect blend. Sometimes unique ingredients are added to the mix. These extras give the paper unique qualities, like extra strength or a bright white color. This carefully prepared fiber is then ready for its next stage in the paper-making process. It's incredible how such a simple beginning leads to the creation of something we use every day. Chapter: Pulping. Pulping plays a starring role. It's the magical process that transforms wood chips or recycled paper into a mushy mixture called pulp, which becomes the foundation for creating new paper. There are two main ways to make pulp: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical pulping is like a giant blender, grinding materials into fibers. It's quick but produces lower quality pulp. Chemical pulping, on the other hand, uses special solutions to break down the natural glue holding fibers together. This creates stronger, more versatile pulp. After pulping, the mixture undergoes cleaning and refining steps. The result is a high-quality pulp, ready to become paper or other products. This crucial step is necessary for the paper we use daily to exist. Chapter: Refining and Forming. Papermaking involves a crucial step called refining. After pulping, the fibers are mechanically treated to achieve the right properties. The pulp passes through refiners with rotating parts that work the fibers. This process can be adjusted to control fiber characteristics like length and strength. The goal is to create pulp suitable for specific paper types, from newsprint to specialty papers. Refining impacts the final product's quality, affecting strength and smoothness. It's a crucial step in ensuring the paper meets the required standards. Next comes forming, where the pulp becomes paper. The pulp slurry is spread on a moving screen on a complex machine. Water drains away as fibers bond into a wet sheet. This process is carefully controlled for the desired thickness and strength. The damp paper then goes through pressing, drying, and finishing steps. Forming greatly influences the paper's final properties. It's essential for creating a paper that meets specific needs and quality standards. Both refining and forming are critical in producing a paper that satisfies customers and boosts sales. Chapter: Pressing and Drying. Pressing plays a vital role in the papermaking process. After the pulp becomes a continuous sheet, it goes through pressing. This step squeezes out water and flattens the paper. Rollers apply pressure, making the paper denser, stronger, and smoother. Pressing removes up to half the paper's weight in water. It prepares the paper for efficient drying later. Drying follows pressing. The paper travels through heated cylinders, removing the remaining moisture. This stage needs careful control to avoid damaging the paper. Temperature, humidity, and airflow must be just right. Proper drying affects the paper's final quality, including strength and smoothness. After drying, the paper might undergo more processing to enhance its properties. Both pressing and drying are crucial for creating high-quality paper. They work together to shape the paper's characteristics, ensuring it meets specific needs. When done correctly, these steps help avoid extra costs and boost profits. Chapter: Coating and Packaging. The journey of paper doesn't end when it rolls off the machine. It enters a transformation stage, gaining superpowers through the coating, finding its perfect size through cutting, and dressing up for the outside world through packaging. Imagine paper as a blank canvas. The coating is like giving it a magical paintbrush stroke. This process adds a thin layer of special material to the paper's surface, making it shinier, smoother, and more resistant to ink smudges. It's like giving the paper a suit of armor that makes it look fancy. The coating can happen on one or both sides of the paper, using different methods like blade or air knife coating. It's time for a cut once the paper is all dressed up with its new coating. The cutting process takes those massive rolls of paper and turns them into the sizes we use daily. Giant blades slice the paper like a hot knife through butter, creating smaller rolls or sheets. It's like a paper barbershop where each cut is precise and purposeful. Finally, the paper gets ready for its big debut. Packaging is like giving the paper its traveling clothes. Protective wrappings hug the paper, keeping it safe from bumps and scratches during its journey to stores and offices. These packages might even wear labels, proudly displaying information about the paper. This finishing stage is crucial. It's where paper becomes more than just a flat surface. It transforms into a product ready for its specific job, whether a glossy magazine page or a sturdy box. When done right, this process makes the paper look and perform better and helps keep costs down and profits up. Chapter 8: Final Thoughts. And there you have it. Paper's journey is a remarkable transformation from towering trees to the pages you read. Understanding this process is crucial for appreciating the resources it consumes and the environmental impact it can have. Let's all strive to use paper responsibly and explore eco-friendly alternatives. Remember, every sheet holds a story. Let's ensure it's sustainable. Share your thoughts on paper production in the comments below, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative videos. Thank you.